Sa daw na. Oh, ka na. Mauna na. Mauna dyan na. Yes.
Oh my god.
Tay ko, Char. That's my first time. I'm sorry, it's not that nice, but yes. Yeah.
Back to our daily again. So for today's video, I'm just gonna show to you my surprise gift for my sister. Actually, this is kind of rush because nakalimutan ko. But so, yun na nga, medyo in a rush siya. Bumili ako ng mga materials agad-agad. And right after that, ginawa ko na siya agad. So, hindi ako nakapanood ng mga tutorials and all. So, I was just thinking kung paano siya gawin. So, ginawa ko, since wala akong masyadong materials na magagamit, pumili na lang ako ng pagtahi. Actually, that's very thin. So, yun na nga. This is kind of rush. So, I'm really sorry if yung whole video is not that perfect. So, that's okay, since that's my first time din naman. So, you can do it in your own way. Kaya ako nga very simple lang nga yung mga materials na ginamit ko. You can also do it in your own way. Like DIY. Kaya nga tinawag diba, do it yourself. So, kaya bahala. So I'm really hoping that you're gonna like this video. And anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button below and also comment, like, and share. So thank you so much, and I'm hoping that you like it. Continue watching. much for extending your time watching this whole video. So right now we're on the last part of the video na. So anyway, before I forget, I just wanted to acknowledge those people who actually recognize me and recognizes my effort, of course. So merong mga nagpapa-shoutout. Matagal-tagal na to actually. So, pasensya na kayo guys kung ngayon lang ako makakapag-shoutout sa inyo. But thank you so much for support. My heart is overwhelmed. So let's start. So AJ Thoughts, which is actually from AJ Aranas to eh. Kuya John, actually dapat ako magpapa-shoutout sa'yo, Lods, kasi sorry, yes, eme. So yun, medyo matagal-tagal din tayo hindi nagkita. So see you soon. Next week is shout out to Jesse Boy. Actually, he's my friend and my old classmates before. Thank you so much for your support. Actually, number one talaga tong nagko-comment whenever I uploaded something. So thank you so much for your support. So support ka naman kita. So support back lang tayo. It's my favorite coffee. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue. Shout out is JR Familiaran, in which is actually my very close friend. So yeah, Chooks, thank you sa pag-subscribe. Napugsan lang guro pa. Looking forward na magkita pa soon pag makaulit ko. So ayun, thank you so much Chooks sa pag-support. Amping ko duro. Next is si Neil John, one of my friend from TikTok. Notice daw, auto-subscribe na daw siya agad. So, I'm really hoping na nakasubscribe ka na sa aking channel. At mapapanood mo to, Neil Jan. So, sabi niya kasi nakapag-subscribe na siya when I, replied to his comment. So, thank you so much for your support. Next is si JFed. And very nice na sabi niya, auto-subscribe na siya sa akin. Oh, thank you naman. Mickey the Explorer. So, pa-shout out. Yeah, hi. Hi, Mickey the Explorer. I'm not really sure what's your real name, but hi. Thank you so much for your support. Sana continue lang. And si Papa Jam, actually, he also had his own YouTube channel. He's a good friend of mine as well. Si Jay, sabi niya pag-giveaway daw ako. I'm actually planning someday soon whenever I reach 5,000 subscribers. Definitely magpapag-giveaways ako sa mga supporters ko. So I'm actually gonna do that one soon. Yeah, time will come. I'm gonna do this soon. I'm really hoping that I inspired you guys. But thank you so much guys for your support with me. I'm really hoping that you enjoyed the video all throughout. But okay, before you end this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe it right now. Thank you so much and have a great day. See you soon. Tara, kape.